Hello guys, in this video I will show you results of our Telegram channel for first month. We will check every single analytic that we dropped and we'll check the results. So let's start. 26th of February, first day that we dropped analytics. So that was our target. The best way was to come from that, and that was our final target. So let's check the results of that day. Our daily target is done, but unfortunately without opportunities to enter the trade. So that was a skip day, but so that means that context was chosen right. Let's check the rest of the day. So first day is done with daily target. Let's move to the next day. Okay, it's 1st March, and let's check our analytics again. We wanted to see something like that, and I don't remember that day, but I guess that here was a mistake because that liquidity was already taken, and it is risky to take that positions and already taken liquidity, and also we can mark order flow here and here, and because of that order flow I thought that we will reach that target. Let's check the results of that day. Okay, so as you can see we left equal lows and target was not done. That day I would probably say that it was a mistake, but we took off that liquidity, but target that I tagged was lower, so that was a mistake for me. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so 4th March, let's check results of that day. We have some order flow right here, but we left the liquidity here and here, and target was that liquidity. Let's check. Target is done, but without opportunities to entry, and I think that the same situation was on GBP. So as you can see, target was chosen correctly, but market didn't give us opportunity to enter that trade. Let's move to the next day. Okay, next day, 5th March. Here I wanted to take long positions, and that was my target for those longs, first target, and that was final target. And, let's check the results. Okay, we closed below, we resweeped, and target done with another one resweep, and that resweep was in New York. As I said in one of our videos, that New York often resweeps London or Frankfurt, and here you can see the example, and targets are done both. So let's move to the next day. Okay, that's 6th March. In that day I wanted to continue long direction, but I skipped any positions at that day because I didn't like the target. So that target is taken. That target took off the liquidity. Here we have work with imbalances. Here are another one imbalance. So I skipped that day, and let's check the results of analytics. First target is done, and second target is done too. So another day when analytics is correct, but without positions. And also, if you don't trust us, you can just check our Telegram channel. The link will be below. You can check that we have really good analytics, but sometimes we do mistakes too. And that's probably normally because trading is not 100% result. You can't find a setup that will give you 100% win rate. You must understand that. And to be profitable, you only need 50% to make money. So think about it. Let's move to the next day. Okay, 7th March. So we'll show you what I wanted. I wanted to see that move, and let's see what market gives. Here I wanted longs because just very simple. We have long tendency, long order flow, and what's the point of reversing the market? My main target is to work with market in market tendency, not to take reverse positions, because they will give me more stop losses than I need. And here longs look better, and I think that you understand why, because we have long tendency, long order flow, and there are no points of reversing the market. So let's take a look. Okay, we sweep that fractal what we wanted. Resweep that. No, that liquidity is not taken, but we fulfilled the fair value gap. Unfortunately, we closed below our last fractal liquidity, and after that only we made our targets. Okay, so let's check the next day. Okay, that's March 11th, and let's check why I chose that target. So we can see that we have really good long tendency, but that liquidity, it looks like compression for me, and I wanted to take that off to continue the main move. And let's see what happens. Target is done, and after that I wanted to continue the longs, but I don't remember what the market shows. Okay, we dropped below. Nothing bad in that, because that was just a target, not the point of entry. So let's go on. Okay, so this is 12th March, analytics from our second mentor, and he works with another time frame, and let's check what he's shown. He has short order flow, here work with imbalances, and he wanted to take position from that fair value gap to that liquidity point. Let's check what market shows. Okay, target is done with resweep. This is analytic from other mentors, so I can't say a lot because we trade a little different strategies. So I just shown you his analytics. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so this is 14th March. Let's see what I wanted. Okay, so I wanted that target. So we took off the big liquidity pool, got our action. Here we worked with the fair value gap and made a liquidity rating with that fair value gap. Here now work with fair value gaps, and so this could be our first target, and this is main target. Let's check what keys. First target is done. Second target. Second target is done too. So another correct day. Here was very simple. So I saw that we took off that liquidity, and we got a reaction. After what we started creating short order flow, and so because of that reasons, that was my target for that day. Okay, so let's move on next day. Okay, it's 18th March, and let's look what I wanted from the chart. That was the analytic in Telegram channel, 2 variations of the situation. And now let's check what market gives us. Also, why I looked for short positions, because we created some short tendency with the work of liquidity. This could be my final target. Let's check potential target of that order flow, but my daily target was a bit higher. So let's check. Okay, we took off both liquidities, and we have done our both targets. Okay, so let's move to the next day. Okay, that analytic from our second mentor on USD GPY, and he wanted to take long positions Okay, so that was analytics by our second mentor, and he wanted to take long positions on USD GPY. Okay, let's take a look, and target is done. Another correct analytic. Let's move on to the next day, because I can say about his vision and about USD GPY because I don't trade that. Let's go to the next day. Okay, so it's 25th March, and here I wanted to take off that liquidity because we have short tendency that we created and short order flow, and that was my target. And let's see what market shows. And that target wasn't reached. I reacted at that situation like nothing bad happens, and I thought that we created a liquidity pool to take off at news. That was on the next day. Also another variation that we didn't have enough liquidity at that moment, and we went to take more liquidity upside to have more power to take a short positions. And that was a wrong analytics. And now let's check the next day. So at the next day I wanted the same target. That blue lines is a daily fair value gap, and I wanted to see a manipulation inside that fair value gap and take short positions. Now let's see what market gives. In that day we got shorts, but that target was not done, but short direction was correct. Let's move to the next day. So that is analytics by our mentor Arthur, and he wanted shorts at that day with two variation. And now let's see the results of that day. We got shorts, but our target was not done, but the direction was decided correctly. So that's the end of the video. We checked all our analytics, and if you don't trust, you can check by yourself in our Telegram channel. You can see where we chose the wrong side and when we chose the correct side. And after that you can watch our YouTube videos for beginners, and I'm 100% confident that you will find something new for you, and it will help you to become better in trading, and you will take profits. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Follow our social media, the links will be below, and goodbye.